Hey everyone, and welcome to RUBIN'S Mind Lab, where we break down the latest research into what it really means. Ever wonder if giving people money directly, with no strings attached, could actually make them feel more hopeful about their lives? Well, a fascinating new study from Flint, Michigan sheds some light on that very question. This research dives into something we often forget when we talk about poverty and social programs. We tend to focus on the problems, like hunger or lack of housing. But what about the feelings? What about hope, that powerful feeling that helps us keep going and imagine a better future? The researchers in this study wanted to see if a program called RX Kids, which gives money to new and expecting mothers in Flint, Michigan, without asking them to do anything specific in return, could actually boost maternal hope. Think about it. When you are struggling to make ends meet, it is really hard to think about anything beyond getting through the day. This constant stress, what researchers sometimes call scarcity, can really drain your mental energy. It makes it tough to plan for the future, to think about your goals, or even to feel confident about being a good parent. For mothers, especially right after having a baby, this financial pressure can be immense. So, what exactly is hope? It is not just being optimistic. According to a well-known theory called hope theory, hope is a two-part thing. First, it is believing you can actually get things done, having agency. Second, it is being able to figure out different ways to achieve your goals, having pathways. It's an active forward looking state that involves motivation and a belief in possibility. And research shows that this kind of hope is super important. It is linked to better mental health, better coping with stress, and even better parenting. Now, here is the crucial point. Scientists are realizing that hope isn't just something that happens inside your head. It is really influenced by your environment, your economic situation, and how you experience social systems. In places where people face a lot of economic hardship and inequality, it can be really draining, making it hard to believe in a brighter tomorrow. And most studies looking at money programs for families have focused on the negative stuff, like reducing depression. While that is super important, this study asks, can these programs also build up the good stuff, like hope? This is where RX Kids comes in. It's a program in Flint, Michigan that gives around $500 a month to new and expectant mothers, along with a one-time payment during pregnancy. What is special is that it is universal for people in Flint and Unconditional. This means there are no hoops to jump through, no complicated forms beyond proving you live there and are pregnant or have a baby. This